Mastering polite expressions, the power of may. Hello everyone and welcome back to our series on polite expressions in conversational English. Today, we're focusing on the modal verb, may, and specifically how to use may when responding to requests. Using may appropriately can help your conversations sound more natural, respectful, and sophisticated. So, let's dive in. May is one of the modal verbs we use to make requests and responses more polite. When you respond to a request with may, you indicate permission or possibility. But remember, context is king. The word may in a response doesn't always mean you're giving permission. It can also show polite doubt or uncertainty. For instance, if someone asks, "May I borrow your book?" you can respond, "Yes, you may." Here, you're giving permission. However, if someone says, "May I join your team for the project?" and you respond, "You may, but our team is already full," the may here is expressing polite doubt. Let's look at some examples to better understand the use of may in responses. 1. Positive response with may. 2. Request, "May I use your pen?" 3. Response, "Yes, you may." 4. Negative response with may. 5. Request, "May I leave the class early today?" 6. Response, "I'm afraid you may not." 7. Response with may, indicating doubt. 8. Request, "May I expect you to finish the project by today?" 9. Response, "You may, but it will be a bit of a stretch considering the workload." In each example, the person responding uses may to provide a clear, polite answer. When using may in responses, there are some common pitfalls that you should avoid. Mistake 1. Using may in a response when you mean can. While both may and can indicate permission, can is more casual and used in informal settings, while may is more formal and polite. Mistake 2. Using may without the subject. For instance, "May I use your phone?" should be responded with "Yes, you may," not just "Yes, may." And there you have it. We've demystified how to use the modal verb may in responses. Remember, politeness in conversation goes a long way in forming strong, positive relationships. Keep practicing these expressions and you'll be a master in no time. As always, happy learning, and we'll see you in our next video.